Breaking news coming in. JP Nadda has steered into the Mahagathbandhan after that news conference. This over Tejashwi being announced as their chief ministerial face, where Nadda has gone on to say that the RJD stands for Rangdari, Jangal Raj and Dadagiri. RJD stands for Rangdari, which means extortion, Jangal Raj, which means anarchy, Dadagiri, which means intimidation. Nadda said this at a rally in Bihar. He also went on to say that the announcement is not essential for them, and they had raised questions as far as the Mahagathbandhan CM face was concerned, given the kind of speculation that was doing the rounds. Tejashwi, of course, has been named as the India Bloc's chief ministerial face in the Bihar polls. Listen in to that statement by JP Nadda.
क्या था 15 साल लालू जी का राज? आज ये चुनाव स्पष्ट शब्दों में विकास एनडीए के साथ और विनाश महागठबंधन के साथ साफ दिखता है। इसको हमको समझना चाहिए। एनडीए की सरकार मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में, नीतीश कुमार जी के नेतृत्व में विकास की ओर जाने वाली सरकार है। और ये जो अभी नया नेता जिन्हें घोषित किया गया, इनकी पार्टी, इसमें विनाश ही विनाश है। इस बात को आप समझ लीजिए। बिहार का विनाश होता है, इसको समझ लीजिए।
Cutting across to my colleague Piyush Mishra, who has been reporting from the ground. Piyush, the BJP has been going all guns blazing ever since Tejashwi Yadav concluded that news conference, reminding the RJD of Lalu's era scams, to also talking about the Jangal Raj in Bihar.
Well, that's right. BJP's national president JP Nadda is on his visit to Bihar, and he's addressing two rallies today in Bihar. It's his first visit, and during his visit to Bihar, he has now made a big attack on Lalu Prasad Yadav and Tejashwi Yadav. Remember that he spoke soon after Mahagathbandhan announced Tejashwi Yadav as the CM face for 2025 Bihar Assembly elections. JP Nadda has gone on to say that the meaning of Mahagathbandhan is Vinash, and NDA is always looking forward to do Vikas, which means that there is a contrast difference between both the Gathbandhans. So it's a fight of Vikas versus Vinash, and he has also reminded people of Bihar about the Jangal Raj, about the law and order, deteriorating law and order under the rule of Lalu Prasad Yadav. So that's a big attack coming in from BJP's national president JP Nadda. We'll have to wait and watch how the Mahagathbandhan leaders are going to react on this big attack coming in from BJP's national president JP Nadda.
Oh yes, continuing to track every reaction very closely. For the moment, Piyush, many thanks for getting us those details.